Okay, now in order for you to maximize the benefits of this wellness watch, you need to download the FitPro app. So on your browser, you simply search for the FitPro app and then start installing it to your smartphone. Okay, so once you have the FitPro app, you simply open it and then click on allow on the next page. So you have here the home screen of the FitPro app. So you have here the steps, distance, consumption, target, and then what you would like to do first is to sync the wellness watch to your FitPro app. So how do you do that is click on set, the buttons here below. You have home, set, motion, and then mind. So you click on bind devices to experience more features. So once you click that, it will already look for the device and then it will already connect it. So it will turn on your Bluetooth and then it will also sync at the same time the time and the date. You see the time on the watch, since it was not yet set up when you first got the watch, it will automatically sync the time and the date that you have on your phone. Now, how do you furthermore check if it is really connected is when you find the device. So again, click on set, and then if you click on find, it will vibrate. The watch will vibrate. And then, okay, now another great feature of this wellness watch that got me hooked into using it is the message push. So if you click on message push and then you allow these buttons here to sync onto your FitPro app, click on allow, and then example the SMS, because you also have that, and then you have the WeChat, QQ Remind, Facebook, you have Instagram and Twitter, WhatsApp, you have all there. You may want to be notified on your watch without looking at your phone if you have messages to read. So for example, I'm gonna show you if it's really working. So let's go ahead and send a message to ourselves. And then you can see if it's really working. So if I send this message in here using my phone, just like as what you usually do, there you go. That's the message that you would get. That's around 3 seconds that it will show you that message. Now if you want to go back and read that message, you simply click on the menu, and here the small circle right at the bottom center of the watch, click on it and look for the message there. Then you long press it and then you can read the latest message that you receive.